Hey dolls, so I am back. So I'm going to be showing you in this video how I got this really cute headband wig style. I just did some cute little curls in it and it's like a long bob with a swoop. So if y'all want to see how I got this look and where the hair is from, then keep on watching. Okay, dolls, so this hair is from WorldNewHair. This is the packaging that the wig came in. I also got this cute clip in the package, and they also sent some lashes as well. And then they also sent this band that you can like tie your hair down with at night. And they also did send a headband as well. And then there were also these little pantalettes in the packaging as well, and then a wig cap. So this is how I have prepped my hair. I have flat ironed the front part of my hair to do my swoop, and then the back of my hair I did just do in two little ponytails. So I am going to take a wig cap and just put that on the back portion of my hair. I did already curl the wig and I used a flat iron. So this is the look. So you get 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, and also the Velcro strap as well. So I'm just going to put the wig on and Velcro the strap together, and then I will take the comb that is in the center and just pop that in to hold the wig in place. I don't use all of the combs because I find that it can be a little bit not the most comfortable, but yeah, so I just use the 1 comb in the center to kind of hold the wig as an anchor in place so that it doesn't slide back. So once I have my wig placed how I want it to be, now I have this front section to work with where I'm going to do a swoop. You can put this wig on as a regular headband wig and just do some baby hairs or no baby hairs or whatever you want to do. But I wanted to do a swoop with this style because I thought it would just look cute. So I'm just going to part my hair off for where I want my swoop to be and just line that up, and then I'm kind of just going and swooping the hair to kind of see what it's giving. But of course we will go back and polish that up later. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my baby hairs on the side. So I just did one little swoop right there at the front area, and then I'm also going to do a sideburn portion as well. So I'm just combing it down and seeing how everything is looking, and then I was like, yeah, I need to do a little sideburn. So I went ahead and parted down a little section, and then I'm going to take my flat iron and do a little curl. And then I'm going to take my edge control and just swoop the sideburn piece into place so that it can lay how I want it to lay. So yeah, that's pretty much it for like baby hairs and grooming this little side portion. And then I go back in and comb the swoop out so that everything is laying really nice. I did pin up the extra hair that was hanging down, which is my hair that was, you know, hanging down longer than what the wig was. So I just pinned that into place, and this is pretty much how it is looking. So yeah, you can't even really tell that it is a headband wig other than the part that you can see where the actual headband piece is at. But of course I'm going to put a headband over that. So I just grabbed my pink Prada headband because it matched perfect with my little sweater. So you can pretty much see the finished look of the hair. Really pretty. This is the back of the hair. The curls look really nice, and it's giving like a really natural vibe because it is a shorter length. So yeah, this is it. It looks real cute. And yeah, this pretty much is the look. So I'm just going to show y'all how it would look with a different headband. I had this blue jean one that I had just got in, so I decided to just try this on to see how it would look with the headband wig, which is also a really cute look as well, especially if you're going to wear some jeans or something like that. So this is how this headband looks. But back to the pink headband, this is the completed look of the hair. If y'all have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will have all of the links listed in the description box for you to check out this wig.